Hi, so today we will learn about chapter 3, that is movement of substance across the plasma membrane. So let's proceed.
Before that, we will see the learning outcomes for this topic. First, to create a learning and teaching process about movement of substance across plasma membrane in an interactive way for Form 3 students. Second, to focus more on student-centered learning by using technology-based educational courseware. In this topic, we will learn about first, movement of substance across plasma membrane. Second, movement of substance across the plasma membrane in everyday life. You can click on the two boxes to get more information about this topic.
Movement of substance. You can click function, permeability, structure of plasma membrane, quiz for more information.
There are 6 functions of movement of substance across the plasma membrane. You can click on the next button to see another 3 functions of movement of substance across the plasma membrane.
There are 7 structures of plasma membrane. The first one is phospholipid bilayer. Second is peripheral protein. Third, protein channel. Fourth, carbohydrate. Fifth, glycolipid. Six, cholesterol. And 7, integral protein. Quick quiz. The following statements are the characteristics of a structure in plasma membrane. Form a channel. Allow a small ion and molecule to pass through. What is the structure? A. Pore protein. B. Carrier protein. C. Hydrophilic head. D. Plasma membrane. Quick quiz 2. Diagram 2 shows the structure of plasma membrane. What is the main component of P and Q? A. P is lipid. Q is carbohydrate. B. P is carbohydrate. Q is lipid. C. P is protein. Q is lipid. D. P is lipid. Q is protein.
Game over. Game over. Game over.
Well done! Movement of substance across the plasma membrane in everyday life. There are two types movement of substance across plasma membrane: passive transport, active transport. You can click each point to get more information. Passive transport. Definition, characteristics, types of passive transport. You can click each point to get more information. There are 3 types of passive transport: simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis. You can click each point to get more information. Simple diffusion. You can click process, example for more information.
The structure of the lipid bilayers allows the oxygen to pass through the cell membrane down their concentration gradient by simple diffusion.
Facilitated diffusion. You can click definition, substance entered by facilitated diffusion, type of protein used, example for more information.
Hi guys, for facilitated transport is a type of passive transport where the materials across the plasma membrane need help from the protein. Like this diagram, we have two types of protein, that is carrier protein and also channel protein. That's it.
Osmosis. You can click definition, example, osmolarity, quiz for more information. There are three types of osmolarity: hypotonic, hypotonic, and isotonic. You can click each point to get more information. Red blood cell. You can click each pictures to get more information.
Time for quiz. Question 1. Hashim puts a tablespoon of sugar into a glass of water. After a few minutes, the sugar has disappeared. What happened to the sugar? Simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis. Question 2. What will happen to red blood cell when it is immersed in dilute solution? Choose the correct picture.
Nice one! Wow, wow, wow! Good job!
Please try again. Please try again.
Try again. Try again.
Active transport. You can click basic explanation, types of active transport, quiz for more information. There are three types of primary active transport: sodium-potassium pump, calcium pump, hydrogen-potassium pump. We will focus on sodium-potassium pump, calcium pump. Click each point to get more information.
Hi guys, for the single cycle of sodium potassium pump, it will be 3 sodium that will force up from the cell and 2 potassium that will imported to the cell through the channel protein. Hi guys, for the calcium pump is the decisive movement that we call such as co-transition state, where it is involved in the movement of the muscle, such as the heart, because the ion of calcium take place in our cell.
Time for quiz. Question 1. Hashim puts a tablespoon of sugar into a glass of water. After a few minutes, the sugar has disappeared. What happened to the sugar? Simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis. Time for quiz. Question 1. Hashim puts a tablespoon of sugar into a glass of water. After a few minutes, the sugar has disappeared. What happened to the sugar? Simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis.
Game over. Game over.
Well done!
Good job!
At the end of this topic, we managed to fulfill our objective, which is to create a learning and teaching process in an attractive way for Form 3 students.
Other than that, we also managed to focus on the student-centered learning by using technology-based, which is educational courseware. We hope that our educational courseware is really useful and beneficial, especially for Form 3 students.
Thank you for using our courseware.